New paragraph. With just 2 days left before the opposition's anti-government public gathering in Gujranwala, the federal cabinet on Tuesday approved a comprehensive plan to overcome price hike and shortage of food items. Full stop. The meeting also approved a proposal for setting up of camp offices of the president and prime minister. Full stop. Today, for the first time, it felt that steps being taken by the government will help bring down prices and overcome shortage of food items in the country. Information Minister Shibli Farad said in his post-cabinet meeting press conference. Full stop. New paragraph. It was the second consecutive cabinet meeting in which threadbare discussion was held on the issue of high prices amid the opposition's protest call against the government's failure to control skyrocketing prices and shortage of food items as well as its poor handling of the economic situation. Full stop. About the prevailing wheat shortage and high prices of flour, Mr. Farad blamed the Sindh government led by the Pakistan People's Party for allowing an increase in prices of wheat flour. Full stop. We have reports that a 20 kg bag of wheat flour is being sold at between rupees 1100 and rupees 1500 in Sindh, whereas in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa it is available in the price range of rupees 1100 and rupees 1300, he said, adding that if the price of a commodity goes up in any place, its effects are felt throughout the country. Full stop. The minister said the government's failure to purchase wheat on time led to a flour shortage in the province, adding that it had now decided to purchase the commodity by October 16. Full stop. New paragraph. Due to the wheat crisis, naan was being sold for rupees 15 in most parts of the country instead of its previous price of rupees 10. Full stop. The federal cabinet decided to allow the prime minister to keep one camp office, Mr. Farad said. Full stop. It may be mentioned here that Prime Minister Khan had lashed out against previous rulers for keeping many camp offices. Full stop. The Prime Minister said there should be only one camp office to limit expenditure, the minister said, adding that former Premier Nawaz Sharif and ex-president Asif Ali Zardari had kept several camp offices. Full stop. Only one camp office of Nawaz Sharif in Jati Umrah had 2752 police personnel for his security, he said. Full stop. According to a press release, the cabinet allowed one camp office each for the president and prime minister and also decided to review the expenses incurred by past presidents and prime ministers. Full stop. New paragraph. Prime Minister directed that expenditure on the camp offices should be capped. Full stop. Talking about the rally of the joint opposition's Pakistan Democratic Movement in Gujranwala, the information minister said, they are free to hold public meetings anywhere. The government is not worried. Full stop. He said Nawaz Sharif, whose children live abroad, and the PPP leadership, which was against opening businesses during COVID-19, had decided to bring people to the streets without realizing that a second wave of the virus was imminent. Full stop. Mr. Farad said the government would not come under any pressure and never give the opposition concessions in corruption cases, full stop. He said people had rejected JUIF chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman, full stop. Even the PMLN and PPP abandoned him when he came to Islamabad the last time, comma. Mr. Faraz added, full stop. New paragraph. In response to a question, comma, the minister said the PTI government had improved the economy, comma, which was damaged by the previous government, full stop. However, comma, efforts to expand it further were hampered by coronavirus, which had dealt a blow even on the leading economies of the world, comma, he added, full stop. Mr. Faraz, comma, however, comma, said the government would improve the financial situation of institutions and reduce circular debt in the power and gas sectors, full stop. About electric rates, comma, he said they had been raised to end disparity with other parts of the country, full stop. He said the Tiger Force, comma, which comprised volunteers such as teachers, comma, students and doctors would just keep a check on prices as it had no administrative power, full stop. Mr. Faraz said the family of Maryam Safdar looted national wealth with the courts giving verdicts against them, comma, adding that ideologies of the Sharif family changed like the weather, full stop. The PTI, comma, he said, comma, would be in power even in 2028, comma, contrary to what the opposition was saying. Meanwhile, comma, the cabinet praised the performance of the Punjab government and law enforcement institutions for arresting the main accused in the motorway gang rape incident, full stop. A press release said the cabinet also approved establishment of new gas terminals, comma, keeping in view requirements of winter, full stop. It was given a briefing on initiating e-office application in the ministries by December, full stop. The cabinet also considered financial and legal matters of the National Information Technology Board, full stop. It was reaffirmed that encroachments on green belts would not be allowed, full stop. The cabinet approved posting of members on the board of Pakistan International Airlines Corporation besides the Export Import Bank of Pakistan Act 2020 and the budget estimates of Capital Development Authority for the year 2019 to 20 and 2020 to 21, full stop. It gave a go ahead to sending a material assistance to which had been hit by rains and floods, full stop. New paragraph. The International Monetary Fund on Tuesday forecast a subdued economic growth rate for Pakistan coupled with elevated rate of inflation and rising unemployment during the current fiscal year, full stop. In its World Economic Outlook 2020, the IMF projected Pakistan's growth rate at 1%, average inflation rate at 8.8%, current account deficit at 2.5% of GDP gross domestic product, and unemployment rising by 0.6% to 5.1% during the current fiscal year, full stop. This is in sharp contrast with targets of 2.1% GDP growth rate, 6.5% inflation and 1.5% current account deficit set by the government, full stop. Going forward, the Washington-based lending agency projected the economic growth rate recovering to 5% of GDP by 2025, full stop. It said the rate of inflation would be peaking at 10.2% at the end of FY 2021, full stop. The IMF estimated a current account deficit rising from 1.1% of GDP in FY 2020 to 2.5% in FY 2021, and then going up to 2.7% in FY 2025. First off, new paragraph. The WEO projected a global growth at minus 4.4% in 2020, 0.8 percentage point above the June 2020 forecast. First off, it said the stronger projection for 2020 compared with the June 2020 estimates reflected the net effect of two competing factors: the upward impetus from better than anticipated second quarter GDP outturns, mostly in advanced economies, versus the downdraft from persistent social distancing and stalled reopenings in the second half of the year. Full stop. The WEO noted that recovery had taken root in the third quarter of 2020 and was expected to strengthen gradually over 2021. Full stop. The recovery is likely to be characterized by persistent social distancing until health risks are addressed, and countries may have to again tighten mitigation measures depending on the spread of the virus, it added. Full stop.